message us.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Harish, you there?
Yeah.
You are available?
Yeah, I'm available, sir.
Okay, good, sir. So, Mr. Harish, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm from Ballari.
Hmm.
I'm the proprietor of RSP Infotech.
Okay.
I'm dealing with Tally software
Okay.
and customizations also.
Okay.
Some other softwares also there, like
So, Ballari means where it is in
it is in Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka, right? Karnataka, right? Okay, good, sir. Okay, so what I will suggest, so let me start with my presentation. So, Mr. Harish, you are online and means I can speak with you. So, I will ask you some questions so you can understand what is our product. So, and everybody can understand. Okay.
Yeah.
So, you have how many employees you have, sir, currently?
I'm having 4, sir.
Oh, good, sir. So these employees are working in your organization. Okay, they have access of your data, like they have a customer data, sales purchase data, all the data they are aware about. Whatever the company important data is there, they are aware about it, right?
Yeah.
So access, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if they copy this data intentionally or unintentionally and share it to any person, you have a control over it.
Presently, there is no control.
Right? So there is no control. Generally, if you it means how many customers you have, sir?
We are having more than 50, sir.
Yeah. So the customers which you are having right now, is the customers also having that type of control?
Yeah, not having that control.
Yeah. So majorly the problem is here that many people are running the business. Mainly all people are running the business. Okay. But they don't have any control of over their data. They don't have any control over their data. And our mission is to put you back in control of your data. That's our plan.
Yeah.
So that's what we do. So we provide you the control of your data. Okay. So how we are going to provide and everything, you can come to know in the presentation and the product demo. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I will start with my name. Sorry, I've not introduced myself. Okay, my name is Himanshu Modi and I'm technical director of the company. And this product we have in India. Our office is in Mumbai, Andheri East, MIDC. And this software we have developed in-house. Okay. And our company is Senda Group, which is UK-based company. And in our group, we have different companies. We have a resorts in Goa. We have a Dudhsagar Spa Resort and Baywatch Resort in Goa. We have a Senda Retreats. We have a Your Wellness magazine. And in 2011, we have started with the product development, the software development, and we have started with the Engage application. We have a school ERP, school and college ERP application called SUMS. Okay. And in 2015, we have started with this application Secura, where our mission is to put people back in control of their data. Okay. So what type of data we generate? People, when we ask this, people ask that we don't generate any important data, right? And that's the reason we have created presentation in such a way that they understand that important data is there. It's not like that important data is not there. Okay.
Yeah.
So we generate, generally in the organization, we generate Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF files. PDF files means if you are using any, if you are using Tally software, busy accounting software, or any CRM software, whatever the data report you generate in the PDF format. Okay. We generate data through emails, instant messaging, right? We generate this type of data, and typically this data we store. So this data we store in our local computer. So in our local computers, we store, in some of the organizations, they have local servers. So they have servers where they store the data, that is they are calling as a file server. Some companies are storing data in the cloud also. We store data in instant messaging software like WhatsApp or Telegram. Then we also store data if you are using mobile, then mobile devices. Even we store data in USB or external hard drive. Okay, so we store this data in a different way. But because of internet and because of now you know that Geo has come and they change the life of every people. Because previously we are used to consume 1.5 GB or up to 1 GB to 1.5 GB per month. If you remember all, we are using 1 GB to 1.5 GB per month data. Now every day we are using 1 GB to 1.5 GB. Okay. Why? Because we now sharing our data, and we have now, because whatever the data we generate, we share the data. Okay. So we share the data through different medium nowadays. So many mediums are available. We share data through our different mediums. Like we share data through emails, video calling, messaging app. Then we share data through removable storage devices. We share data through cloud sharing. We share data through remote access softwares like Anyday, ScreenViewer. Okay. We have data of, like, we have sharing data option through WeTransfer. Okay. And in the instant messaging app like WhatsApp and Telegram, in WhatsApp you can share data up to 100 MB to, in Telegram you can share data up to 5 GB. Okay. So there are multiple platforms are available from where you can share your data, right? So now to overcome this, okay, so we need to, I want to ask some questions to all of you. Okay. So who do you think is the real danger of the data and subsequently for the business? Means your data, business data is in the danger. Who do you think is the responsible or danger because of technology or because of people? Your data might get lost or data might be in the danger because of whom? People or the technology? Can anybody can answer here, please?
By technology and by people also.
Huh?
By technology.
Okay.
By
And
people, for some, like beginning people's, those who are introducing in a field, they don't know how to secure the data. If they deleted the data, then it is very difficult to
right, true.
recover.
So let me tell you that as per our research, we did the research. Everybody can hear me properly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay. So our research, we come to know that answer is the people. Okay. So people are the real. Can you hear? Jignesh Shah is saying no audio. Everybody can hear me, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So Mr. Jignesh Shah, I think you need to reconnect or something is issue with that.
At the time of reconnection, it will ask where you need to continue with audio with computer. Then if you are clicking, then it is.
And anybody can write and help him, please, if you can. Mr. Jignesh, till that time I will carry on with my session. Okay. So answer is the people. Why I'm saying answer is the people? Because technology is how this works. So whatever the configuration you do, whatever the rules you set in the technology, that technology work. And for any company, people are the biggest assets. Like people are the biggest assets of any organization, and however the biggest threat of any businesses. Okay. So, trying to say, hello. Okay. So people are the biggest assets of any organization or the biggest threat. And what I'm trying to say here, that many business suffer from the data loss because of humans. Human makes mistake, computer doesn't make mistakes. Okay. And let me explain you, let me explain you that why we are saying that if your business data is getting lost or anything, means to who is responsible, then you, your employees, your business partners and cyber attackers are the responsible for the data loss. So let me tell you why I'm saying you are also responsible for the data loss. So everybody is aware how ransomware attacks are happening. Everybody is aware CEO fraud attacks are happening. Everybody is aware how phishing attacks are happening or social engineering attacks are happening. Everybody is aware. Mr. Harish, Mr. Sri.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you are aware how these attacks are happening?
Yeah, yeah, it is happening, sir.
No, it is happening. But suppose you know how this is actually these attacks are happening. How have you experienced that?
No.
Right?
No,
We have
no.
not experienced. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the reason chances of getting attack on yourself is also high, because if you're
Yeah.
aware that how these attacks are happening. So like I'm giving you one example so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Our children, our small children, when what we do, we teach them, we educate them that when you cross the road, you need to look right, you need to look left, and then check the vehicle is not coming, then cross the road, right? Why we are doing this? We are giving them the education, so chances of accident will be reduced, right? Same way, here right now in the technology, we are nobody is there right now to teach you that how this is type of attacks are happening and how you are going to safeguard from your this type of attack. Okay, right? So this is the problem,
Yeah.
and that's the reason we are saying that you as your employees or business partners and cyber attacks are might be means are responsible for the data loss currently. Okay, now how your data is getting out of your control, how your data is getting out of your control. So let me give you example here. So how your data is getting out of control. So as per research, there are three ways data is getting out of control. One is intentionally, second is unintentional or accidental, or third is falling into the cyber attacks. Okay. Okay. So intentionally means what? Let me give you some example. So in your organization, your employees has some malicious intention or by a disgruntled employees or out of revenge, they want to take revenge. Okay. So they might maliciously means intentionally they delete the data or copy the data or share to the other people. Okay. I will give you one example of the company. One of our customer who is there in Jaipur, what happened to them? That they have started AnyDex access, AnyDex and remote desktop access. Their access started with during the lockdown. Okay, and once they started Office in June, July, they have not stopped that access through the AnyDex access. They would not stopped actually. Okay, so what happened in September onwards? They asked some people to go, and one of his employees, he was not happy with this decision and he wants to take revenge. And that person knows where the data is stored, what type of data is important in their organization, which computer it is stored, where backup is there, all the information he was aware about everything, because he is working since last couple of years. So he was aware what data is important and which data is, suppose something will happen to data, company will be in trouble, he knows everything. So what he did, in the during the night time, he logged into the computers through remotely, and he has deleted important data, even backup also. And the company has spent 3 to 4 weeks to recover all the data, and company fall into the financial loss. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. Intentionally, some people are taking getting means like destroying your data, business data, and you fall into the loss. Now, second example I want to go means like second is unintentional or accidental. So some of your employees unintentionally or accidentally share your data outside of your organization. Simple example is email. Like for example, you want to send email to, for example, Harish, and instead of Harish, is sent to another Harish, and that other Harish will receive the important mail, and you know that once the mail is delivered and that person is copied the data, you can't take back anytime. Okay. And now I will give you one more example. They might have a less of awareness of the, or education is not given. If they are working on important data, the education is not given. Here also I will give you a good example, which is the live example. So in the last year, sorry, in 2019, one of our customer who is in Gujarat only. Okay. So what he was, they are maintaining two types of account. One is, they are maintaining two types of account. So the another account they are maintaining in the USB stick. Okay. So the accountant who is working on the office, also he is working outside for the another type of account, which is they are maintaining in the USB stick. Now the accountant was every time was worried about the USB. If the USB is getting corrupt or might be get lost or anything happen, the data will be on the loss. So how they will maintain the backup? So somebody suggested just upload data on the Google Drive. Okay. Now he was maintaining all the data on the Google Drive, and that Google Drive on his personal email account, and now they are using that personal email account in the office also. In 2019, when IT income tax means like they raided on the their premises, they found nothing. They found nothing, but they took the computer, and one of his computer, like this accountant computer, he was logged in with his Gmail account, and they found the important data from the Google Drive, and that company fall into the financial loss. So what I'm trying to say here, that it's not like intentionally, unintentionally, that the person wants to safeguard the data, but unintentionally he given the company good loss, because he's not aware about education is not given to him. Okay, and now falling into the cyber attack, which I already mentioned to you, that if you are not aware, education is not given, then your data, your high means your chances of getting into the cyber attack is high. Okay, now I will give you, I will just want to make you understand why company data is important, why your business data is important, and you need to take control of your data. Okay, so first thing is, your data is the backbone of the business, and your data is your intellectual properties. Okay, because you are running with the company and your data is important. Now I will ask you a simple question, that like I heard that one company is like 27-year-old. Okay, so they are aware that previously, before 20 years, we are maintaining data physically. Okay, like I was started company in 1999. I was maintaining my data in the like I have a telephone book, like contact book. I have a book where I have data of A, B, C, D wise. Means like I filter the data A, B, C, D wise, and my maintaining the data there. Okay, so now I'm maintaining the data like physically, and I know this data is my means is with me, so nobody is allowed to copy, forward, or anything, right? But currently, all the data is in the digital form. All the company's data in the digital form, and if you are able to connect to any part of world, means any part of world, person will be able to connect to your computer. Okay, so, and second problem is, we are maintaining multiple copies of the data, because we don't know how many copies are generated of our data, and we think that data copies, we are maintaining only one copy, but you don't know how many copies you are maintaining. So I'm giving you one example so you can understand why I'm trying to say this multiple copies example. Okay, generally in the organization, what we do communication, internal communication we do through email only. Even in my organization, I at least send 30 to 40 mails every day. Every day I send 30 to 40 mails within the organization. And here we share important company contact information, important purchase order or sales order, or all that information we share within the organization. Okay. So I just want to ask some question, Mr. Harish, Mr. Shiva, can you answer me here? That if Mr. Shiva, you are sending me one mail, or Mr. Harish, you are sending me one mail, how many copies of the mail will be generated? Anybody can answer, Mr. Jignesh Shah or Vibhadra Shah, Vibhadra Singh, sorry, Ashok Mundra, Ashok Computer. Anybody can answer, Kamal Jain, SP Services. So please answer here. So suppose I'm sending one mail to, for example, Nilofer. I'm giving a simple question now. How many copies of mail will be generated? Minimum mails. Minimum copies will be generated of one mail. Please answer. And if you are unable to answer on or speak, can you write down the
minimum? It will be 3 mails. I think so.
Okay, good. How can you explain me, please?
So one is on the draft, another one is on sent item, and another will be on sender, to whom I have sent on their inbox.
Okay, so let me give you. Sorry, Mr. Shiva. Shiva, Mr. Shiva Kumar, can you means?
No, I did not answer anything. No problem.
Okay, no problem. So I am giving you the answer. Minimum 4 copies will be generated, and I will give you how. Explain you how. So one is in my send item, second in my server, mail server, third copy in the receiver's mail server, and fourth copy in his computer or in his mobile. And if using multiple devices, multiple copies will be generated. That means what I'm trying to say, minimum 4 copies will be generated. And what your customer thinks that they are using firewall, they are using antivirus software, their data is safe. But you don't know how many copies you are generated outside of your organization, like email, like you are also uploading data on the cloud, how many copies you are generating on the cloud server also. Okay, so you don't know how many copies you are generating and where to control, how to control this thing. And so to overcome all these issues, we come up with our product called Secura, and in our Secura we have a solution of all these things. Okay, so let me give you the answer of the solution. So what we have done, whatever the data you generate or your employees generating in your organization, okay, in their computer, the mails, the files, or they upload any data on cloud, we lock at the source. So your data will be in the lock mode. So whenever the data will travel from your mail server or from your cloud server or in the local computer, it will be in the lock format. So suppose anybody copy, share, or anything they do, they will not get anything, because to read that mail, they require keys, and keys in your control. So this is what we have developed our application. Okay. And what we do, so for example, you are sending data from one computer to, like, for example, Mr. Hari is sending me a mail. Okay. So the mail will travel from his mail server to my mail server, and my mail server to my computer. Okay. And what we have done, we have created a unique Secura to Secura key transfer process. So we have developed a Secura key transfer process, which will allow me to read that mail, but I can't do copy, I can't do forward, I can't do print screen, I can't do anything with that mail. I can just read the mail. Okay. And if I want to allow copy, allow forward or anything, I need to request Mr. Harish that provide me the rights. Okay. And you can set also rights, like for example, if Mr. Harish is sending me Himanshu mail, automatically allow copy forward is enabled. That also you can do. It's not compulsory that every time you need to ask for the rights. Okay. Now the so this process is secure, and that's the reason we have applied this process for the patent. So this product is already applied for the patent. Okay. And this is 3 years. Okay. Now we have another product, Secura Cyber Shield, which is very helpful. And I think Mr. Shiva Kumar, you also think about this product, because you are into the training, and this is very much important product. Okay. It will help you, Mr.
Okay.
Shiva Kumar.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me give you explain you what this product is about. So what we have done, we have developed this product in such a way, Secura Cyber Shield, and we also have a Secura Cyber Safe for the schools and colleges. We have 2 products right now. Okay. So Secura Cyber Shield, what we have done, we provide you a module where you can test your employees. So what you can do the mock attacks with your employee, phishing attack, social engineering attack, CEO fraud attack, ransomware attack. This type of attack you can do with your employees. So this is a mock attack. So what it will help you, so when the actual attack will come, you are aware how these type of attacks are happening and you are ready for this. Okay. So this is the one advantage. Second thing, we provide you training and course material. So this is all materials is a video format, quiz format, gaming format we have developed, which is educational related material. It's a small video, like 2 minute to 5 minute video, which is give you learning as well as fun. This is a fun learning materials we have developed. You will enjoy while doing, like listening the video or watching the video. Okay, you will enjoy. So this is how we develop more than 200 different type of materials, like cloud data security, email data security, local data security, what ransomware attack, what is malware, how this malware will infect, interject, like they come to your PC, and what to do, what not to do. Suppose you see that this mail is fake, or you can what you can do with this mail. So this type of education we provide. And our mission is here to convert your employees into human cyber shield. That is our mission here. Okay. Now I will carry on with the Secura work. So in Secura work, this Secura work is an application which is we have developed, and this application is available in all the operating system, like Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Linux operating system, Android phone and iPhone. Okay, all the operating system. And what we do, we provide you the licensing based on the user, not in the device wise. Like for example, Tally, Microsoft or Adobe, what they do, they charge the licenses device wise, we are charging user wise. The difference here is in user wise, you are allowed to install Secura up to 3 devices. You can install Secura on your mobile, on your computer, as well as laptop. So you can install Secura up to 3 devices. And here we protect your email. So whatever the data you generate, your email will be protected, your cloud data will be protected, your photos on the mobile will be protected, your local data will be protected. And we also provide you folder lock feature in which you can secure your Tally or Tally data or BG software, or if you develop your in-house software, you can protect that data also. I will showcase you when I'm showing the product demo. Okay. So what we do here, so as I told you, whenever you share any files or share any email, by default is a view only, and that's the reason we provide you a control like take back, allow copy, allow forward, allow edit, allow share outside, allow delete, allow print. All these type of features we provide. And we also provide you the feature called app burn. So what we do here, when you install Secura, you can add your employees. You can add your employees, and what we provide you the options against the employee, you can configure multiple email account, and this email account username and password also you need to set in the Secura. So generally what happened, when any employee joins in the organization, what we previously used to do, that when we create his email account and cloud account, and their respective password is shared with the employee. So they are aware about their password. So now problem is that when they log in outside of the organization, they are allowed to access your mail server anytime, anywhere. And if suppose they are accessing outside of your organization and with some PC where the malware is there, where the password might be hacked, or they forgot to log out, your data will be in trouble. Okay. So that's the reason what we have done. We provide you here the admin control panel where you can add user, you can add email, password, everything you need to set up in the admin control panel only. Simple. Okay. And what you can provide, if suppose that they install the mobile, they install Secure on their mobile or desktop, you can control the device wise, you can control their access through IMEI as well as MAC address of the device. Okay, so that type of security we provide. We also provide you internet access control, which is under development, which is under testing. We are releasing soon. Internet access control means if your employees are working from home, okay, or they are working outside, you can control whatever the internet they are using mobile hotspot or they are using cable net. You can control their internet access control from your office. Okay. We also provide you USB lock feature. You can control your employees. They are not allowed to access the USB without, and you can also provide which USB means, for example, you have provided company USB or external hard drive. You can add the serial number of the external hard drive, and then when they insert the external hard drive, they are able to access the external hard drive. But other than that, they will not able to access USB or mobile or anything they won't able to use. Okay, so this is all control through remotely. Okay, your employee, whatever the employee activity does, whatever the activity they do, we generate the audit trail report. So how many copies, how many files they've generated, where they store, whom they share with rights. You can see all the information in the audit trail report. Okay, so this is how we provide all different type of features. Okay, now anybody has any questions, please ask.
Sorry, PTJ, it will work in offline also?
Yeah, offline also, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will now carry on. Any more questions? Otherwise, I will start presenting the partner module, and then I will start presenting the product.
Yeah, start.
Okay, thanks. So why you become a partner with us? Okay. So first thing, the data security. And the technology is over $1 trillion business. Even some of the companies are using, not all the companies are using. So you can imagine how much business business is there, because nowadays everybody is connected with the internet. Even children and everyone is connected with the internet. The data is on high risk. Okay. And what is the product? This is specially developed for the SMEs. Why SMEs I'm saying? Because small, medium sized company, they don't have IT team. The in-house IT support team, they don't have. Okay, who complete, every time, who constantly monitor their data, that how many data people are generating, are they sharing outside of the organization, or they are creating multiple copies of the data, all these things, they will not able to monitor everything, SME especially. Okay. So you can get involved with this solution and you can offer the long-term benefits to your customer. This is a big benefit to your customers. You can grow your income by selling this product as an add-on solution to your existing as well as new customers. You can earn 25% of commission on each and every sales, including subsequently renewals. Okay. Then opportunity to gain additional income, and currently we are not charging anything to the partners. We are not charging no upfront joining fees, nothing is there. We also provide you, once you register for the partner, we provide this software as a free for you. Okay, so you can also use this software for yourself and you can check everything in your organization that how this software will work, and when you provide the demo to your customer, you are confident enough, and that's the reason we provide you the free. Okay, you can keep customers safe from the digital harm. That is the main advantage here. And what we provide you full training and support marketing material to expand your business. And one more thing we provide you, what you can do, you can bring your customers. We plan the customer demo. We plan the demo, customer demo. You can ask your customer to join for the product demo and we help you to sell this product. Okay. Now I will show you the pricing, but before I show the pricing, I will start with the product demo and then I will showcase the pricing so you can understand how this pricing is working. Okay, so I'm starting my product now. Just hold on. So you can see, let me share the screen mine, because you might not able to see my screen. Now you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Sorry, my mistake stopped sharing. Let me. Okay, now. So when you start the Secura, you need to enter your password first. So this is how Secura will work, and you can see my screen or coming as a blank.
It is imaging software, sir.
Sorry?
Imaging software.
No, imaging software is not there.
Yeah.
What you can see here?
Professor, I'm having one doubt. Like front screen also will recover, no? At the time of recovery.
I'm not getting you. Sorry, what
Like
you're
desktop screen.
Yeah.
Screenshots also we can get it back, you know. If at the time
Yeah. We also provide you. See, we also provide you security on that you can't take a screen share or screen recording. You can see, I now allow you to see my screen because I am admin and I allow you right now to see my screen. You can see my screen right now. Okay. You can see this blank screen manager.
Yeah.
Now it's allowing, now you can see the screen.
You can stop that.
Yeah, I can stop that. You can see I've stopped now. You can see the blank screen.
Yeah.
And now I'm allowing you. Okay. By default, screen sharing is off by default. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see this. And when you add the employee, you can add their employee against email address and password as well as cloud account. So in Secura, you can configure Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive also. And with Secura, we provide 5 GB Secura free of charge. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Now, when I connect to Secura,
Yes.
no, Secura does not take any copy or any access of our drives or our documents or something like that.
So let me give you the information about this. So in Secura, when you register for the Secura, you get the company information which is required for us to billing.
Okay.
When you add any employee,
Okay.
you add employee email address and mobile number, anything you add, we on our server, we save hash value of the email address and hash value of the mobile number. Okay. And you know that hash value we can't decrypt.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how we maintain the data on the server. We maintain hash value of the data, and we fully GDPR compliance company. We don't store any company's information on our server.
Okay.
So when you configure mail, it is working like a Outlook. So like you Outlook or Thunderbird you are using. So
Yeah.
that means the mails are traveling from your mail server. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And if you configure your cloud server like Google Drive or Dropbox, so the data is stored on your Google Drive or Dropbox.
Okay.
Okay. So let me showcase you cloud so you can see. So now you can see my cloud server. You can see cloud module where you can see Secura Cloud is there, Google Drive and Dropbox is there. So I configure my Google Drive. You can see. Okay.
We are not able to see your screen.
You're not able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Can everybody check my screen? Can everybody see my screen?
Yeah.
Now it is black.
Now you can see.
I can see this.
Okay, good, sir. Okay. Now I will start with the mail server first, and then I will showcase you the other features also one by one. Okay. So when I compose the mail, okay. When I compose the mail, just hold on. You can see the blank screen, or you can see my mail. Just hold on. You can see my mail, right? Okay. Now. So, hello. Anybody is asking some questions? Hello. Okay. So now I'm sending from my one account to another account, and I'm also using Google Hosting. I'm using one of the email because you can see I have configured 6 email accounts. So one email account is Google Hosting account, another email account is the Microsoft, and another email account. Some of the email accounts are the cPanel email accounts. Okay. I'm sending the test mail 25/02/2021. Now, when I send the mail, we provide you different options. You can share burn email. So when I email some person, when they open the email, after opening the mail, automatically after 1 minute, mail will be deleted. Okay. Even they are opening after 1 minute, after 1 hour, after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month, or after 1 year. Whenever they open the mail, after opening the mail, reading the mail, after 1 minute, automatically mail will be deleted. Then we also provide you the feature password protect email spread site and password protect email my site. So these two features also we provide, which will help you to protect your email. So suppose your means you have a email, some of the email which is accessed multiple people. So you can set the password of that email. So only one person will able to read your mail because he knows the password. Okay. So I'm sending one test mail, and I'm just waiting for the mail to receive. Okay, just hold on. You can see the blank screen, or you can see the proper screen, everybody?
You can see the screen.
Just let me restart. Just hold on. I will restart now application.
Maybe.
Just hold on.
సో ఏమి పడుకోమంటావా? సరే నేను పై వస్తాను, నువ్వు 4 గంటలకు వస్తావు.
Let me start the security. I'm composing the mail again. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm logging again to my another account. Technologies, Secura.com. Date is 25th, 2002, 2020. Now you can see I sent the mail. Let me check whether I received or not. Now I received the mail. Yes, I received the mail. Okay. Now you can see I received the mail, and this mail I'm not allowed to copy or forward. Let me now you can see I'm trying to copy or forward this mail. You can see you are not allowed to forward this mail. You can see this.
So
When I try to copy or forward, you can see you are not allowed to forward this mail. Okay. By default, I can't do anything. Even and then if I want to request, I can request privacy request to my sender, allow copy, allow forward, allow share, screenshot, allow export, allow secure edit. Means all these features we have provided. Or what I can do, what my sender can do. So I'm going to the sent item of my PC, that senders. You can see my screen. Yes. So in the three dots of the send item, you can see two options: apply content privacy rights, apply content extra privacy rights. Okay. So click on the apply content privacy rights. You can see allow copy, allow forward or share, allow delete, allow screenshot, allow screen share, allow print. So I'm just right now allowing one user only, allow copy and allow forward or share. Now when I go back to that menu, just hold on. When I go back to this email, okay.
Yeah.
Now you can see I can allow to copy, even I'm allowed to forward this way. Okay. Now, as I told you, this data will be locked and the travel in the lock format. So let me show you outside of the secure how this is work. So you can see this test mail I received in the Gmail server because I'm using Google hosting. Okay. So now you can see the mail in the outside of the Secura is the lock format, is the encrypted format. So the advantage here is if suppose somebody hack my password or hack my email account server, I don't have to worry because he will not get any information from my mail server. Okay, and that's the advantage here. Even in the cloud server, so you can see I configured my Google Drive, and you can see this all files are secure extensions, secure extensions. And I will show you how this secure extension file works. So let's go to my computer. I have a demo test folder. Okay. So now you can see all the files in my computer is the secure extension, and I will open one of the files in the Microsoft Excel. And I forgot to tell you everyone that with Secura, we also provide Secura Office, which is like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Secura has their own Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And I will show you what is the use of this. Okay, now you can see this file, Secura extension file. You can't read the data file.
Yeah.
Okay, so now advantage here is suppose somebody copy your data. So this data is important. They copy the data. Okay. Then copy the data and take their home, and they also have a Secura, for example, they install Secura, but they will not be able to read because to read the data, they require keys in your control. And what we provide you, another features, like as I told you, I will now open the one by one feature cloud. Then I will open Secura File Explorer, and I will open the settings module. Secure Office and settings module. These four modules I will open now, and I will showcase you how this works. Let me mark you so you can see my screens. So now we have all the module now in front of me. This is the Secure Office. You can see Secure Writer, Sheet, and Present. This is we are providing free of charge. We are not charging anything for this software. Secure Office.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it free, sir?
Yes, it is free. Secure Office is free. Okay.
Those who are buying this Secura.
Yeah, yeah. And yes, because the
Excuse me. So even we can get the same formula what we are going to get in Excel.
Yes, same thing. And I will give you the exam. What is the advantage? I will show you. So then you can understand why this is helpful for you. First thing is it will save cost of your Microsoft licensing, because Microsoft is licensing is they are charging. So let me go to in my computer C drive, and let me go to that folder, demo test folder, which we are right now open that files, you know. So now let me open. I open some file. Okay, and I will open that file, encrypted file, in my secure office. Just hold on, it is opening. Until that opening, I will showcase you. Okay, let me finish this first. It's opening. The computer is running slow because I'm sharing my screen and all that things. Okay, no problem. Now it's working. So now you can see this is like Microsoft Office. We have a secure office. The advantage here is by default, you can edit this file. I am allowed to edit this file. Okay. So that means suppose I'm allowed to edit, this means what I can do, I can select the data and I can copy the data and I can create another file, right? Normally what happens, you can copy paste the data, right? Now you can see when I'm trying to copy the data and paste outside of the Secura, it will not allow me to copy paste outside of the Secura. So as I shown you when I was showing you the rights, allow copy, allow edit, allow share outside, all these features control here. Second thing, when I on the files, I can control save as, export, PDF, print, everything I can control. So suppose some of the customers, they have a important data. For example, like I'm telling you, I'm giving you the good example to Mr. Shiv Kumar. You know that in the colleges or the classes or all that thing, they create a good, they create their own course material, and they allow some professor to or student this material, and they can create multiple copies of that material, right? But here you can protect that.
Correct.
Okay, so here you can protect that. So this is the main. We have customers like institute and classes and all that thing. They like one of the customer is there in the UP who educate. They are the classes for the IAS officer, and they generate a very important document for the IAS officer, and they are using this software because they want to secure their course material. So this is the advantage here, Secura, and that's the reason we provide a secure office free. Okay. So now I will give you one more example, which is helpful for the people who.
Before going to this, I have a question.
Yes, please, sure.
Yeah, question is, I have a document.
Yes.
You think it's a course material,
right?
When I want to create, I can create in normal MS Word.
Yes.
And then copy it into your Secura software and secure it, and then pass on to my students.
Perfect, sir. That's
correct. But the problem is, means how they can view it.
Yes, to Secura, because we provide them a Secura viewer free.
Okay, so you say, but for whom do you charge now?
We charge the company who wants to secure the data. So suppose I want to secure my data. I'm sorry, I pay the money to Secura. And suppose I share the important document to you, you can download the Secura viewer free of charge.
Okay.
You can't encrypt the data, you can't secure your data, but you can read the secure data.
Okay, what is my problem is I have in a college around 600 students.
Yes.
I give a document, I give them a link of Secura view, and they'll download and see my course material. But they cannot copy, they cannot paste, they can only view it.
Yes, they can, even they can't copy, pair or share anything.
Okay, so now the question is, that's all. They can only view it, but they can only view it into Secura view.
Yes, perfect.
The problem now is that Secura view, somebody else also can copy and view that document, right?
No, but you have a control. You can take back anytime. I will show you. You can take and you can see the log also, that this file is viewed by how many people, from which device, how many times. All this information we are showing you in the log. So everybody's this is trackable.
Okay.
And you can take back anytime.
What I should take back? What I will take back?
anything like let me show you in the mails also. You can take back mails, files, anything.
No, mails is okay. Mails is okay because
Files is also when if you are sharing the files. So let me go to the Secura Cloud. Okay. So suppose in my computer C drive, I have a demo tip folder. These files are there, right? In my computer, which you can do auto sync. And suppose this file I'm sharing.
okay.
So suppose I'm sharing with, for example, I'm sharing with Vaibhav. Just hold on. Okay, Vaibhav Joshi. Okay, I'm sharing with the person. I can see normal share burn file means once they read the file after 1 minute, 1 or 5 minutes, automatically it will be deleted. Password protected also that my side and friend side. So I'm just sharing normal. Okay.
Okay.
So I shared this file to Vaibhav. Just hold on. Now you can see. Now I shared this file with Vaibhav. I go back, and when I want to take back, suppose I have to stop sharing, I can stop sharing anytime to that user.
Okay.
See the audit trail also.
Okay.
Also that how many times he is opening, what time, where he is opening, which device it's opening, all this information we will provide you.
Okay.
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 So this is how you can take back.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will.
Which platform it has created, sir?
Sorry.
The software, which platform it has created?
It's created on the Java.
Yeah. Okay.
Java. Okay. So now let me show you the important feature, which is very much important, which is might be helpful for anybody. So suppose I'm using Tally application, and you can use BZ or any other software. It's not only for Tally. You can. I'm giving you the example of Tally, so you can understand the concept actually. So this is my Tally application. And in Tally application, you know, a data folder is there where all companies store here, right? And this data is open, means anybody can copy, anybody can do anything with this data, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So what we have done, and if we encrypt this data, then Tally software will not work, right? So what we have come up with the solution. So in the settings modules, we have a privacy settings module. You can see active folder lock feature, activate folder lock feature, which is controlled by the admin password. So your employee can't do thing, but your admin can do. Okay. So now I enter the admin password, and now you can see the folder lock feature. This is folder lock feature. And let me showcase you here also. So I can showcase you both in parallel here. So when I go to the data folder, now I'm going in the folder section, and I want to secure the data folder. So I'm now click on the plus button. Okay. Then I will go to my C drive. I will go to the Tally folder. And when I select the data folder, you can see the select the data folder. I need to click on the 3 dot, and I can enable and mark as a hidden, for example. So what happened now, you can see when I mark as a hidden, automatically that folder is hidden. And this folder is hidden in such a way that operating system, any application will type this folder doesn't exist at all. Okay. Now you can see error, Windows can't find C drive Tally ERP9/data. Check spelling, try again. Okay. Even if you are running in the DOS command prompt. So suppose I mark as a hidden, I can view in the DOS command prompt. Barabar? So let me show, it's showing me element not found. And when I go to dir/ah all hidden files, you can see files not found. So any application will not able to see this folder, any application. And how Tally will work, right? So what we have done in the folder options, you can see, when I go back, you can see program options. So whatever the program you want to allow that application should be accessed. So I'm adding the application now, Tally application, and I'm selecting the Tally exe file now. Okay, I added the Tally exe file, but I'm not enabled, and I started the Tally application in front of you. And when I go to the select company, you can see it's showing me no companies on the disk because Tally application is also not able to access the data folder. Now in front of you, I'm just enabling Tally application to access the data folder. Now applied settings. Now I go back, and when I select the company, now you can say I'm able to access the data folder. In Tally application, I'm able to access the data folder. Let me try again outside of the Tally, again in the Windows Explorer. When I go again, data, it's not accessible. You can see the same error, and even in the DOS command prompt, you can see the same error, element not found. Okay. So what we do, we provide you the application specific folder access control. Okay. So you can see this. Now, when I again go back Tally and I disable the Tally application, now you can see when I go to select company, instantly that application will not allow to access the data folder. Okay. So this is how we do provide you the data protection of your computer. So suppose your in computer, some data is very much important and you want to secure that, you can secure that with this folder lock features. Now you can disable, now I can see the open the data folder, even in the DOS command prompt, I can open the data folder. Now you can see. Now you can see I am able to access the data folder. Okay. So this is how we provide the data security. Okay. So we can protect your cloud data, we protect your local computer data, we protect your email data. So we provide you all security. Okay. Now I will showcase you the pricing and then I will showcase you the Secura Cyber Shield also. Okay. Which is helpful for everyone. So now this is the Secura pricing, the full software, Secura Work, which is email data security, cloud data security, folder security, 5 GB cloud space per user, local data security, USB log, audit log. We provide all these features we provide in 7,200 plus Secura Office free and Secura Shield right now you can see also we provide as a complimentary right now. Okay. And now for the people who are selling Tally partners, they want to sell to their Tally customers because they are not using email, they are not using cloud. So that's the reason we come out with the special pricing, which is 2,000 rupees per user per year, where without cloud backup, folder lock feature, and 3,500 we provide with cloud backup. So suppose some people want the cloud backup, then 3,500 per user will charge. Okay. And Secura Cyber Shield, we start with the 7,500 per user per annum. For 8 users we provide right now. Okay. Now I will showcase you how this Secura Cyber Shield works, so you can understand this, which is very much important. Everybody can see this, and this is very much important to learn. Okay. So what we have done, we have created this application in such a way you can do the mock attack with your employee or with yourself also. So we do data entry attack, hyperlink attack, file attack, portable media attacks, phishing, iron phishing attack, this type of attack we do. Okay. Even this other attacks I told you. Then what is attack? So let me showcase you what is attack. So what we have done, we have created a clone of multiple websites, different websites like Paytm, Google, Amazon, Netflix, so many websites clone we have created. Okay. So I will show you the Paytm because Paytm is everybody's aware. Okay. So what we do, we send the message to your employee from your name and we send them the message that, okay, you've done a good job or something. This email is totally customization. You can add any content in this mail. Okay. Their employee will receive. And when they click on the link that, okay, you received the 2,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees, whatever you want to say, you can say that, mention in the mail, click on that link and claim. So when they click on the link, they will see this website. You can see the Paytm website. Yeah. But here the URL is Secura Cyber Shield. So generally what happens, people, when they see the mail is coming from the known person and from the boss, they will think that this is the mail is right and they click on the link and they enter username and password. That's the people mentality. Okay. And I will show you in our organization, when we've done the test before 6 months, I will show you the result of my organization. So you can see this, the report, and I will provide you a report like this. You can see this reporting of your organization like this. So you can see we have sent to 61 people and 11 people click on the link and 7 people enter the username password also. Okay, so now you can see how this dangerous. This is a small example I have given you. Now I will show you what other modules we have. So we have awareness templates. Okay. And just hold on. So we have awareness templates and we have like a quiz module, video format, we have gaming format. And now you can see, I will showcase one of the video so you can understand how these videos are there. Training videos, as I told you. Can you?
This is a Secura Cyber Shield video. Our mission is to put you back in control of your data.
Everybody can hear the sound?
Yeah,
Privacy and why is it important?
can you?
Data privacy refers to the responsible handling of personal data. And since a breach in privacy can cause limitless financial penalties, damaged reputation, loss of trust in business, and for the responsible employees, the prospect of disciplinary action, following the rules is in everyone's interest. In comes the GDPR, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation. It introduces tougher fines to non-compliance breaches and gives people more freedom to decide how companies can use their data. The GDPR applies to any entity that uses or holds people's personal data.
I'm not playing full video right now because it will 6-minute video. One or some of the videos 2-3 minutes also. I just want to showcase you how this Cyber Shield is there. Then we also provide you the some of the templates in the quiz format. Quiz. So now you can see this English. Now when I playing the quiz, I can learn. So like for example, this is the quiz. You can see the URL is Google and it's showing Yahoo Mail is upgrading. This is fish, right? Then HSBC URL and HSBC website. What do you think is real or fish? Can anybody can answer, please? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, it's a real or fish.
It is not real.
Actually, it's a real because website is hsbc.com. You can see.
Okay. Okay.
Real. So like this facebook.com, it's real. But now let's see. This is twitter.com all09.info. So this is not real actually because the domain is all09.info, but the twitter.com is the subdomain.
Okay.
So this is phishing. So this is how we provide, and you can see the hint also. Like this. Hint also like this. Okay. So this is provide the cybersecurity training to your employee, which will help them. And after providing this training, we do conduct the examination. We do more like after doing, like they understood or not understood, we do the exam. So domain exam or other exams we do depends on the topics. Okay. We do run the examination modules. Okay. And once they finish the exam, we provide them a certificate also. So which will help them. And what we do also, we will provide you end user like detailed report also. Let me show you my report, Himanshu. You can see. So this is my report. So now you can see my report. So I'm 5-star now. I'm okay. So now you can see, and what type of videos I saw, quiz I played, gaming I played, static templates I read, posters, training library I gone through. All this information is tracked now. So you can see that. Okay. So now all this is done from my side. I will just showcase you. The commission structure is like 25% as I told you. And if you sold 10 customers with 10 users per order, that means order value will be 7,20,000 for full Secura. Your commission will be 1,80,000, and this is also yearly because every year you will get the same commission. So this is like a LIC scheme. Okay, and join our mission in putting people back in control of their data. Time to take control of your business. Be Secura. So that's our product. Now people can, means anybody have questions, please ask the questions. I'm ready to answer this.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, one of my customer is using the Fire